Hello, my name is Nhi. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What a special occasion. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about learning English. I consider it a great honor to be invited to speak here. I've been looking forward to this moment for a long time. Many people are worried about learning English. They think English is difficult and it's hard to memorize new words and grammatical rules. In fact, learning English can be a piece of cake. Don't worry about pronunciation. Don't worry about grammar. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Just try to speak English as much as possible. Successful people spend a lot of time practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect. Speak English every day and you will improve. Thank you for listening to me.